Hey, welcome back to Ford University. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to train your brain to attract more money or to make more money, to actually hit your money goals by using your brain. Hey, I'm Juliet, Master Hypnotherapist, and in this video, I'm going to break down how your brain is structured and how you can actually use your brain and train your brain to hit your money goals or to attract more money into your life. It's all about using your mind. So first, I'll talk about how the mind is different than the brain, and then how your mind is structured and how you can train your mind to actually attract more money. So 2 parts to this video. Keep watching. For these videos and any of the videos on my channel, when I'm referring to the brain, I'm talking about the mind, not talking about brain surgery and when you go into the mind, even though by training your mind, you help with neuroplasticity. But in this video, I'm going to be actually talking about the mind, because if you open up your brain during operation, you're not going to actually see your thoughts. So the mind, you're probably familiar with your conscious mind and your subconscious mind, but I'm going to introduce 3 other parts in relation to how you need to train your entire mind, your brain, to hit your money goals and to heal your relationship with money. So the first part is your conscious mind. So this is when you're thinking, your conscious rationale, your thoughts. And when you experience something in your conscious mind picks it up, it goes through your preconscious mind or your critical factor. And the critical factor is something that comes up around age 6 and 7. That's when you stop believing in Santa Claus. And so it acts as a filter for the information that you take in. And so this, once it's filtered through your preconscious, then it goes to your subconscious and then it's stored there. So your subconscious stores all your memories, your emotions, everything, and then it assigns metadata to it. So that's why some people have different triggers and some people have pet peeves, like if you hate mouth noises versus if you hate snoring, or why does your spouse hate this but you don't really care? Like, why do some women care about leaving the seat up and others don't? So it's all subconscious, and we assign meaning and feelings to information that we receive. So that's why reprogramming your subconscious is so powerful, because you're basically reassigning, realigning the meaning of all your experiences in your life by saying, actually, that wasn't a bad thing. Actually, this is a bad thing. Actually, this is okay. Actually, I don't really care about this. So that's how you reprogram your subconscious, by changing the metadata and the meanings and the beliefs assigned to certain memories. So you have your conscious mind, your preconscious, and your subconscious. Then below that is your unconscious. So this is where flight or fight comes in. Your natural instincts come in your unconscious. And so you can, and sometimes like some traumatic events that go deep lie within the unconscious. And then the 5th part of the mind that I work with transcendental hypnosis is the superconscious. The superconscious kicks in when the conscious mind and the subconscious mind are in alignment. And this is, you've experienced this feeling in flow. That's when you're in flow state, when everything just becomes easy and just happens. And then you'll be working on something, or you'll be playing a game, or you'll just be so focused on this task that when someone comes and interrupts you, it's almost like, what's going on? So it's a deeper level of trance. And when you're in flow state, if you spend most of your time and your life in flow state, your brain health and physical health and emotional health is at the peak. So you not only live longer, but you have a better quality of life. And so that's what my practice is about. It's about helping people activate their superconscious mind by creating alignment with their subconscious and their conscious minds to make living easier. And included in making living easier is making a living easier. So getting money that you want and need for anything in your life, you can easily attract it or see opportunities to make more money when you're in alignment. So let's get into the second part of how you can start training your mind and creating alignment to activate your superconscious and see money-making opportunities to easily come into your life. So how do you train your mind to attract more money? So easy solution is to train with me. I have a brain training program called Mental Wealth, and it's a group hypnosis activation, 4 days live, where we release the trauma or your money story that you have. Then we install new beliefs, and then we set your goals, your new money-making reality, and then we lock it in on the 4th day. And I also have Sleep Your Way to 100K. This is like the basic program that you simply just have to listen to the meditations, subliminals, and audios for 33 days to help realign your conscious mind, your subconscious mind, to focus on hitting 100K. And you can do this within 6 to 8 months. It won't take forever, I promise you that. But if you can't join the group hypnosis program, or you can't do a brain training, then the first thing that you need to do is to rewrite your money story. By rewriting your money story, you change the meaning that you assigned to money in your subconscious mind. Right now, if I showed you this money, how does that make you feel? Do you feel like, when you think about money? Do you associate money with stress? Or do you associate money with freedom and things that align with money? Your credit, taxes, your feelings about credit, taxes, banks, everything should be neutral or okay. So first, walk through how you feel about banks, how you feel about taxes, how you feel about credit, and how you feel about actual money. What words come up? So that's going to show you what you need to work on. And then you ask yourself, why do I feel this way about money? And the memory is going to pop up into your mind. And this memory is going to explain to you why you feel this way about money. This is what we do during hypnosis, and I'll guide you through it so you can get a deeper understanding, but you can do this yourself. And so when you get this memory in your mind, that's when you ask for meaning from your subconscious. What does this mean? And when you get the meaning, that's when you kind of know what you have to work on and the limiting beliefs that you have associated with money. Because once you get rid of those limiting beliefs, you get rid of the blocks. You change, and then you install more empowering beliefs about money, and you create your new money reality. In my reality, I don't need to struggle to make money. I don't need to work every single day to make money. I make a minimum of $2,000 a day, minimum, coming to me. So those are my new money rules. And I'm actually increasing my money rules for my daily intake. And it's a process. And so we walk you through that process. I walk you through it one-on-one, personally, in a session, but also during a group activation. And then you can self-pace it so you don't have to go through all the questions yourself with the brain training. So the links to everything is below, and I'll do a quick summary of the questions that you should ask yourself if you want to get started on it alone. And then I also have a free workshop coming up. It's called Money and the Brain, where it's a workshop. So you're going to get a 30+ page workbook. Okay. In this workbook, we're going to work through your money story during the 1-hour workshop. So you can work with me for free and get started on using your brain to get more money. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Drop how much money you're about to start making daily. I want to know. And be sure to like and share with anyone that you feel needs help with this. You know, if you have a friend that constantly asking you to borrow money, you might be like, hint, hint, check this video out. And check out the playlist. I have an entire playlist about money mindset and a free workshop on this channel as well, in addition to the free workshop that you can sign up for below. I will see you in the next video.